Unlock daily wellness, dive into yoga with our quick beginner's guide. Welcome to our channel, where wellness and ease blend into your daily life. Today, we're diving into the transformative world of yoga through a simple, 10-minute routine designed for beginners. Yoga is more than just physical exercise. It's a journey towards mental clarity, emotional balance, and a deeper connection with oneself. This routine is your first step. Imagine starting your day feeling centered and calm. That's what our daily yoga practice offers. It's not just about flexibility, it's about creating space in your day for you. Our routine is crafted to fit into the busiest schedules. 10 minutes a day can significantly impact your health, reducing stress and improving your overall well-being. We'll guide you through gentle poses that open up your body, release tension, and enhance your breath awareness. Perfect for easing into your day or unwinding at night. No experience? No problem. This routine is accessible to everyone, regardless of fitness level. Our focus is on guiding you through each movement with ease and understanding. Yoga teaches us to be present. Through this routine, you'll learn to focus on the here and now, a skill that benefits every aspect of your life. Physical benefits are just the beginning. Regular practice can lead to improved posture, stronger muscles, and better flexibility. But the mental and emotional gains are equally profound. We encourage you to make this practice a daily habit. Notice the subtle changes in your body and mind as you commit to this journey of self-care. Remember, yoga is personal. Modify any pose as needed and always listen to your body. This practice is about nurturing yourself, not pushing limits. As you finish today's session, carry this sense of peace and awareness into the rest of your day. Let it influence how you interact with the world around you. Thank you for joining us. If you found value in this practice, consider sharing this video with a friend. Let's spread the joy and benefits of yoga together. Namaste.